So today we are doing biopsy. So basically I will tell you what is biopsy. Biopsy is taking the oral tissues for any pathological examination to check the histology of any suspected lesion which we cannot know. So we will take that oral tissue and we will send it to the laboratory to check the histology, like what is suspicious, what is that lesion. So biopsy is mostly indicated for any lesion which is not cure within the 2 weeks, or any lesion we cannot diagnose through the laboratory test, or we don't diagnose, so we go through it. And the last one, if any patient is curious about any lesion, so we take the biopsy and we send to the laboratory. So now I will show the instruments. First of all, we have these instruments. These are examination instruments. I will take this through. This is the dental mirror and this is the tweezer. These are the basic examination instruments. This is the scalpel number 3, which is mostly used in the oral cavity. This is the blade number 15. And this is the tooth parsing for the retraction of the oral tissues. And this is the needle holder. And this is the scissor through which we will cut the suture. And this is the 0.30 silk suture. We will do the suturing. And here is the local anesthesia. Lidocaine, 36 milligram, along with this epinephrine. These are the 2 needles. This is for the black, 27 gauge, and this is for the infiltration. It is also 27 gauge. And this is the dental injection. So now we will do the biopsy. Here's the gloves and along with the cotton.